Stryde Knee Brace is marketed as a lightweight, targeted support solution that relieves knee pain, improves stability, and lets you move freely. But the real question is, does it deliver real relief or just overpromise like many online braces? What it actually does well: provides mild compression support. Like most knee sleeves, Stryde uses compression to improve circulation, reduce minor swelling, increase joint awareness. This can help with mild discomfort or fatigue, especially during daily activities. Improve stability to a degree. Some users report feeling more secure when walking or exercising, mainly because the brace supports surrounding tissues, where it falls short. Not designed for serious injuries. This is the biggest limitation. Knee braces like Stryde are not built for ACL/MCL tears, severe instability. Post-surgery recovery. Medical-grade braces provide stronger stabilization when needed. Pain relief is often indirect. Relief usually comes from reduced strain, better movement confidence, not actual healing of the joint itself. So, does Stryde Knee Brace actually work? Short answer: yes, for mild support, not for real treatment. You might feel better during movement. You will not fix underlying knee problems. Bottom line, Stryde Knee Brace isn't a scam, but it is overhyped for what it actually does. It's essentially a basic compression-style knee support, useful for light activity or minor discomfort, not a medical solution, and not a long-term fix. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.